Let's create a tobacco basket centerpiece. Start with 2 tobacco baskets. Turn the smaller one upside down and place it into the larger basket. Insert your pieces of pine into the holes in the basket. Make sure the diameter of the stem or spray corresponds with the size opening, as all the holes are different sizes. Use any hanging pine around the edges, the tallest pieces towards the center. Continue to add sprays or picks until you're happy with the shape and fullness. The pine pieces we used were all 12 to 15 inches in length. The baskets are already attractive, so having them show through here and there adds interest to your centerpiece.